In this video, I'll guide you through how you can schedule a meeting on Google Calendar. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, you have to open your suitable web browser and click on Google Apps and find Calendar and click on it. Once you click on Calendar, then you'll come to this page. After open Google Calendar, you have to choose a time where you want to set a meeting. Let's go to Tuesday 11 am. Now type a meeting name here. From here, you can also select the date and timer. Then you have to click on Add Guest and type your guest email address here. From this page, you can also set your guest permission, like they can modify this event, invite others, and see guest list. Now you have to click on Add Google Meet video conferencing. Then you will see a Google Meet link will be generated. Also, you can customize the Google Meet. To customize it, you have to click on the settings icon and change it based on your preference. And lastly, click on Save button. Also, you can change the event color. Once you're ready, click on Save button. And if you want to send the invitation email, then you can click on Send button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily schedule a meeting on Google Calendar.